In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use projects in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is an excellent tool for managing your business finances, and its project management features can help streamline your workflow even further. One of the key functions available in Zoho Books' project system is the ability to log time, which is crucial for tracking progress and ensuring accurate billing. Let's start by navigating to the project where you need to log your time. Once you're in the correct project, you'll notice an option labeled Log Time. This feature allows you to record the hours dedicated to specific tasks within a project, ensuring that both your time and your team's efforts are accounted for. Logging time can be crucial for calculating billable hours, or simply for keeping track of how your time is being spent. When you click on Log Time, you'll be presented with two primary methods for entering time: manual entry and start timer. Each method caters to different working styles, so you can choose what suits you best. If you opt for manual entry, this method is ideal if you've already completed a task and need to log those hours later, or if you are adjusting time that's already been tracked. Simply enter the time details manually. It's straightforward. You'll specify how many hours and minutes were spent on the task, and you can add specific details such as the date and a short description to provide context to your time entry. Alternatively, you might prefer to use the Start Timer option. This is perfect if you want to track your time in real time as you work on a task. By selecting this option, you initiate a live timer. You'll find this especially helpful if you're managing multiple tasks and switching between them throughout the day. The timer provides a way to capture time exactly as you spend it. Remember, real-time tracking with the start timer not only helps in maintaining accuracy, but also reduces the need for later adjustments or estimations. Whichever method you choose, filling in the time entry details thoroughly is key. Take a moment to describe what tasks were accomplished, even noting the specifics of what you achieved if necessary. An accurate record can help you analyze the efficiency of your project work later on. After entering all necessary information, you just have to click Save. This action ensures that your time log is recorded within the project, helping maintain a comprehensive and cohesive view of your work efforts. In conclusion, whether by manually entering your time after task completion or by using the start timer for live tracking, Zoho Books' time logging feature provides flexibility and precision in project management. By using these tools effectively, you'll improve project tracking and billing precision. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your experience in managing projects within Zoho Books. Remember, consistently recording time helps in evaluating productivity and streamlining project planning for future success.